Wednesday Quickie mushrooms, fried mushrooms in a different way. I'm going to do it the same way I did my fried turkey wings. Why not? That worked beautifully. I'm going to use the same mustard I use, which is Engelhofer Sriracha Mustard. Extra hot. You know, I think I got this at Kroger. I'm not sure, but I think I did. Either that or On Base commissary, so I don't know. But I'll have a link to Amazon where you can get it. You know how this goes. When you get it from Amazon, you got to get like 3 or 4 or whatever. But I did find it there. So I've cut the bark of the mushroom, cleaned them out, dried them out, make sure they're dried up. And we're gonna mustard them up. Okay, so let me roll them around in that and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got that did. Batter Pro, excusez-moi, Batter Pro, 3 pieces. Anyways, I've said this so many times, I don't know who knows, what knows, I don't know. But I've got a link in the description too if you're interested in that. It's amazing. Okay, so it comes in 3 pieces. This is 2 right here. So I'm going to put my mushrooms in there like that. And I'm going to use Kentucky Colonel, which is what I used for the turkey. Et voila. You can find this at Walmart, seasoned flour. And we're going to coat our mushrooms. Just judge how much you think you need. With this Batter Pro, you really don't use a whole lot. It sucks up everything. So you put your other piece on there. And we're going to shake it about. And you just toss it back and forth. Alright, so let me finish that, change the angles, we'll be right back. Dopey smoky. So, paddles out, I spread some olive oil. That's another gizmo that I use, the Evo sprayer. It works wonders. Look at the mushrooms. Can you see how well coated they are? They're just so beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to take the strainer part here, shake it off a little bit. Just dump those in there. Whoa, sorry, did I knock you out of joint here? Hang on. I'm gonna put them bottom or top side down. Okay. Oh, it smells. That Sriracha Mustard is ridiculous. I'm gonna be sad when I run out because I'm gonna have to order it on Amazon with everybody else. Okay, so everybody's good to go. Not gonna spray some oil right now. I'm gonna wait, okay? So, bottom on, top on at 4. And I'm going to wait 5 minutes and then I'm going to spray the tops with olive oil. And I'll let you know the total cooking time. So, if you see some white flour spots when you're frying something, just spray some oil on there. Either the aerosol can or the spray, whatever, floats your boat. So, we'll be back. Alright, we're talking about 11 minutes. Listen to that. It was beautiful. Alright, we're going to let that cool and we'll taste. Alright, time to taste. Let's play here. I got some blue cheese dressing. Usually I do ranch with mushrooms, but that's all I had. So, you guys want to see the bottom? Now, here's the mistake I did. When I put them in the pan, I put them upside down with the cap up. So you could see some water, because mushrooms have a lot of water. So when you cook them, put the top up. Okay, so I flipped them over. Let's try it without the blue cheese. Yeah. Well, that tastes wonderful. It's got some spice from that mustard. It doesn't taste like mustard. It's crazy. It is delicious. I like it. Well, you guys, this is a winner. Winner, winner, mushroom dinner. Thanks for shopping. Bye-bye.